climbing up a bit of a secret path to some waterfalls, or cataratas, as they are called in Spanish, and I just caught a glimpse of them. And there's like no signs. I got off like on the main road, and the guy was like, "Here it is," and I was like, "Okay." So I lost a lot of footage when I lost my camera and my cell phone. Some of it was some beautiful waterfall footage in Kiabamba in the jungle, but I discovered there's a waterfall right here. I'm gonna pan out and see if we can see if it can be seen. See, there it is. The Sacred Valley has some pretty cool waterfalls too.